Checking your transaction history on Robinhood is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to access and review your trading activities. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device or go to the Robinhood website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to your account. On the app, tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner. On the website, look for your account name or profile icon in the top right corner. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Access the history section. In your account settings, look for an option labeled History or Statements. This section contains all your transaction records, including buys, sells, and dividends. Step 4. Filter your transactions. Once in the History section, you may have options to filter your transactions by date or type. Use these filters to narrow down the specific transactions you want to review. Step 5. Review your transactions. Scroll through your transaction history to view the details of each trade, including the date, amount, and any fees incurred. You can tap on individual transactions for more information if needed. By following these steps, you can easily check and manage your transaction history on Robinhood. Regularly reviewing your transactions can help you stay informed about your trading activities and investment performance.